Okay, so students, lastly we introduced about the HTML. What is the HTML? Now we are learning the features of HTML. Okay, first of all I just read it, and you have to be just listen it carefully. Which are the features of HTML? HTML is the simple and it is very easy to understand and the modify. You can also modify the HTML code, means you can change the website also. It uses text to define an element and document, therefore it provides a flexible way to design the web page. It allows to connecting the web page using the hyperlinks and therefore the enhance user browsing the experience. जैसे कि आप करते हो कि आपके ब्राउज़र में एक लिंक होता है, एक टेक्स्ट होता है जिस पे आप क्लिक करते हो तो दूसरे वेब पेज पे आप डायरेक्ट होते हो. सेम जब आप वेबसाइट बनाओगे तो सेम चीज़ आपको भी करनी होगी. आपको एक लिंक क्रिएट करनी होगी जिससे आप एक वेब पेज से दूसरे वेब पेज पे जा पाओ. An HTML document can be displayed on any operating system. There it is platform independent. You can independently work in the HTML. It allows the developer to add the pictures, audio, video to the web page, making them the more attractive and interactive. When you open the website, you can see videos and images are also available. Even sometimes graph are also available, so you can also enter these things in the HTML in the website. HTML is not case sensitive. You can type text in lower or uppercase. Case sensitive का मतलब क्या होता है? When we are writing the text, means text, we have to be write the text, and you know what is the lowercase and what is the uppercase. Means if you are writing a lowercase, then you have to go ahead with the lowercase. If you are writing the uppercase, then you have to go ahead the uppercase. Two texts are there, both have a same name. Means एक में lower एक में upper नहीं चलेगा, वो आपका आउटपुट ही डिस्प्ले नहीं करेगा. And second thing, for HTML, to access the HTML, first we need the one browser, web browser, and the notepad, simple notepad plus what you have, that's okay. And this thing you have compulsory, and sometimes you need the internet. So this is the basic thing that you have to be for to access the internet. Next we are going to the basic structure of an HTML document. So I am going to the structure. Okay, first of all, for structure you have to be use the angular bracket. This is the angular bracket. Okay, I am first go ahead with the uppercase, so I am writing the HTML head. In the head there is a title. In the title there is a, you have to be write down the name, and I just close the title. This is the symbol of the closing the bracket, and this is the opening bracket, this is the closing bracket. Now I am going to end the head, then start the body part, means that will be displayed on your browser. And I will in the body text you can use the different type of text that will be make your website effective and attractive. And I close the body tag, and lastly I have to be close the HTML tag. Remember one thing, some of the tags are there which you are started, that you have to be also end. अगर आप उसको स्टार्ट कर रहे हो तो उसको एंड भी करना है. जैसे कि यहाँ पे HTML क्लोज, हेड ओपन, हेड क्लोज, टाइटल ओपन, टाइटल क्लोज, बॉडी ओपन, बॉडी क्लोज. सो दिस थिंग्स you have to be know. When you are on the one thing, then you have one tag, then you have to be also close that tag. So this is the basic structure of the HTML. So with use of this text you can make the website. First of all, let's learn HTML. To make a use of the language of HTML, we have to use this tag. Next, head means when you open your website, at the top there will be displayed one thing that is called the head. Okay, head means the upper part. When you open the browser, it information will be that. For example, I am just opening this, so here will be information. This is a total functions, Google search. So this is the header tag, मीन्स दिस इज़ द हेड. वहाँ पे आपको जो सर्च किया होगा, जो आपने बनाया होगा, दैट इज़ योर चॉइस कि आपको कैसे लिखना है. एट द टॉप इज दैट, एंड टाइटल मीन्स यू कैन राइट डाउन द नेम. Next is the body part. Body means you can make your website effectively, attractively. This is the body part of the function keyboard. मतलब कि यहाँ पे आपको उसका आउटपुट दिखाएगा कैसा है, क्या है, किस तरह से करना है. फिर आपको कुछ इफेक्टिव दिखाना. इफ़ यू वांट टू एंटर द इमेज ऑल्सो, यू कैन आल्सो एंटर हियर. दिस इज सर्चिंग ऑफ images, so it will be display the images. This is the text search, so it will be search the text. This is also the map search, so it can be search the map. So this is the basic thing: head, body, and the HTML clause. So in the many more we learn the more text in the body, how to use the other text, and nextly we learn the directly, maybe we meet on the virtual class, and we learn how to make a website with use of the HTML. Thank you so much.